Hey everyone, Charlie Corbett here from Kellysport Marina. Here we are with a great episode of the Kellysport Academy, going through a Bimini top. Right here we've got the Bimini cover. We're gonna unzip each side, just like that. Then there's Velcro right in the back. You just wanna unzip or undo in the back, then pull forward. Then a great place to put this would be under the helm. That's where a lot of people put them. Then the easiest way is to just grab one of these arms and pull forward, just like that. Then grab right here and push down. Then that should just connect just like that. Then do the same thing on the other side. Then last, you wanna make sure all these snaps are done. Look like they are. This one is not, so we're gonna snap this together just like that. So that's how to put it up. Now we're gonna put the Bimini back down. So very easily, we want to undo each arm just like that. Bring it up. Then I always like to stay in the middle and push the second one of the last bar up. Kind of goes all together, just like that. Then I'm gonna grab the Bimini boot. A great way to know where the Bimini boot goes is the Bennington symbol is always facing forward. And this little hole right here goes around the navigation light. So I'm gonna start with that. We're gonna Velcro the back. There you go. Then start on each side, one side at a time. It doesn't matter which side. I want to zip this side up. And then we're going to start on the port side. And that's how to put your Bimini up and down. Thank you for joining us for another Kellysport Academy. See you guys out on the water.